Today is April 22nd, 2024, about 12:24, 12:18 actually. I have some possible setups here. Looking for a break and retest here with 61.8 plus a psych level, plus a break and retest with 3 confluences. So we're gonna be looking around. Whenever the market likes to reject off this area, I like to look for like hour rejections. This is looking pretty good as it's falling through all this timeline out through here, which is perfect, bouncing off it and going for sells because of a massive downtrend on the higher time frames. As you can see, I'm probably a little concerned about this area, but we're gonna see how that works. I'll probably get a quick day in here, then have another trade on CAD GPY here for a break and retest on this area on the 4-hour time frame. So break off this area, looking for a pullback to get for buys. And Euro JPY, basically the same shit. Looking for a break and retest. Is looking pretty well. I took this trade. It looks nice, beautiful for a multiple. We're gonna take this trade. It's beautiful. It's perfect. Let's see how much we get off of this trade. Break and retest here again. And Euro GBP broke out beautifully off this level. Hold on, let me go on the daily time frame. That's a little more convenient to see. Look, so rejection all through here, plus here and there and there. Oh, beautiful break and a possible retest with and maybe if this takes a little bit more time, and let's say we get this, then we're gonna be looking at this trade, which is gonna be perfect. So let's get to it. Hopefully I take a trade on AUD CAD. Let's see if we can take it, maybe make 3% of our account and be up 5% of the challenge. So let's do this shit. All right, and now it's 6, so it's been 6 hours since I've last updated. I did not take a trade at all because there was no entry signals. So I decided to sleep early and wait for my other positions to line up. So let's see with this. I don't believe today I'm gonna get any trades because they're not really lined up. But let's see how the market gets. So currently we have a market update. It is 10:46, 4:22. I know I didn't trade New York at all. I didn't have any entries at all. And I'm still looking throughout these trades. I might have a possible trade during London today for a retest on this point. If it continues to reject on this, I'm looking for hours here, hours rejections. I'm looking for multiple hour rejections for me to have entered in this market, but I don't know if I should because it's kind of flowing away to have an upward trend. But we'll see. It's only 10:47 and I only trade between 2 to 5 for London. So I'm gonna be watching out for that. I'm gonna be up to look at this chart, see if it rejects. Maybe take an entry down here for a possible sell. For a possible, let's see, maybe I put my stop loss around here. A 4-hour, 3.5. We'll see what the market will give me. And if it continues to break out here and do a retest, then I'll be taking for buys. And maybe have a inverted left head, right shoulder formation if it does break out. And for CAD GPY, I'm waiting for the same exact thing. I'm waiting for that break and retest on this point. I'm just continuing to wait for that. Maybe it'll continue to go up to me have a better 50%, but we'll see. And I might have a couple entries for GBP. As you can see, a break and retest off this point on a 4-hour time frame for a break and retest, which I'm still waiting for, which should be a good area, 50%, which 50% FIB is really good. I'm really looking forward to that, especially for a 4-hour EMA touch for that. Another confluence plus a break and retest would be perfect. Now I'm just waiting for just for the market to come back. I mean, this happens so many times. I've seen this pattern so many times. And look, I've taken Euro GP, the same exact thing, right? This area broke out, came here to retest, made an entry here. It didn't go up all the way, but I took out before it came back down. And the same exact shit. Came here, there, got an entry there, here, had an entry here, beautiful entry. And you continue on. Euro GBP, I'm waiting for that break and retest. Again, same thing. It's all break and retest at this point. It's all break and retest. So that's basically all I'm waiting for London. And I'll get back to you later. I'm just going to be waiting here, looking at the charts, and see what I can catch. Just got into position right now. It's 2:35. I got in, hold on, let me zoom it in closer for you guys. I got in here in this engulfing for a break and retest structure on the psychological level, and then engulfing here, which consumed 1, 2, 3, and on the rest, these candles. It's consumed 3 candles, so it's kind of pulling up right now. But yeah, we'll see. Honestly, I risked 1K for this trade and this London session. I haven't taken positions in a while. Now I'm up for London to the trade. I have a 10, 12 pip stop loss, so it should be fine. I put in the highest wick that I had and put a little higher. Okay, so maybe a 3-arm multiple I'm looking at. Let's fucking send it. I'll let you know how the trade is during New York. See, that's the downside. Oh, fucking school. No, just fucking came out. Hit my step loss right there. Could be taking a position. Hopefully later. This trade for a possible break. Retest. So I basically took the trade that you saw. I took it during London. Did not turn well. The news came out, and I'm going to be showing the background why it was kind of the bad trade and what I did wrong. I'm going to be showing that really soon, but I just want to talk about that. The account is down. Still, it's up. When I was originally up 2%, but I risked 1% of the trade, and I guess the broker account, it had some issues during the news situation where it made me lose 2%, and now I'm only up 0.4%. So that makes me basically starting from zero, which is good in the case because I'm gonna have a trade very soon, probably London again, but even better. It's gonna have the better. It's a break and retest, 50% fib, 4-hour EMA. It's beautiful. It's being perfect. The trade can make 3% in my account, 4 or 5. We'll see. But hopefully it goes my way. It has massive rejections, and I'm going to be showing the reasons why I took the trade before. It is currently the next day. I do not trade London because I had no positions at all. So I was looking through it, nothing at all. I didn't even stay up for it because many of the charts were not even there to my position. But today, actually tomorrow, London, this is kind of the second day. This is the second day. Currently looking for this position is coming down to here. Hopefully by the time it hits London, it is continuously rejecting with multiple 4-hour wicks, which is going to be beautiful. Hopefully I'm able to get in, bring my account to 4%. We'll see. This trade is going to be fucking amazing. Let's see. I'm going to go get a haircut. I'm probably going to go buzz my head because why not? Try something new. So I'll catch you back on I'll say around 8 to look at the charts, 8:10 to look at the charts and just follow through and wake up for London. Let's get it. It is currently around 9:26. It is Tuesday, and I believe I'm gonna have a possible trade during London. Oh, look at this setup right here. Like I said, remember how I talked about the very beginning on Sunday? This may happen. Well, hopefully it doesn't continue to go up. Hopefully it keeps rejecting around this area right here that I've made. And let's see. Hopefully it keeps rejecting. Comes up here, bounces, and I'm able to get a shift of structure around here. And I have several confluences lined up already. A weekly bullish, daily bullish, 4-hour bullish. 4 hours kind of bullish, but if you think about it, it broke out. So breaking retest, 50% fib, 4-hour EMA. It's all perfect. Man, I wish I had a better camera right now. But these trades are gonna get me funded. I swear, I promise you guys, I'll get a better camera. And I would damn. This is actually a really nice trade. You see, I took a trade yesterday. It didn't end so well because of several reasons. It had touched around twice, and later on it broke through all the way. It kept going up and up and up. And it's funny because I told my friend, I'm like, look, this may possibly happen because I've seen this happen before in the markets. It did exactly that, like to the T. I mean, you get losses here and there, but it's fine. I'm still testing out my strategy. As you know, I'm down to, I'm up still. I'm profit 0.4%, but it just kind of sucks how I risked 1%, I lost 2. But this trade, if I take this trade, let me just guess right now, the trade, if I were to put it here and there, this trade may make me around 5%, possibly. Let's see, hopefully it makes me 5%, I'll be up 5%, and now 4% left to go. That's fucking, dude, I've been waiting for this trade. Hopefully it sticks through there around there, has a knife shifter structure there, and we will be taking this on London. And I'm gonna catch you on London session. Let's go. I didn't log in, but I would have been stopped out, but I knew for sure I had no entry. Ain't good. Wait for it to come back up, break, and retest again. Let's see. It is currently day number 4. I woke up in London, as you saw. Didn't see the trade because there was too much momentum to the downside. And great thing, I was going for buys and not going for sells. So I did not take the trade. Luckily I didn't. It's beautiful. It would have been a beautiful trade, but I'm looking for it to break through that level again, to go up, and break through and retest to kind of support that support and not break through again. So let's see what else I can get from the market. I'm currently going to this brokey school. It sucks, bro, but the life that you live and the after that will come. Right now, I'm thinking about the action. The action is the best. So I'm going to school, eat my bagel. I'm just gonna fucking send it in the charts in New York. Let's see what we get, and I'll get back to you later. So I did take a trade on Friday on gold. It is currently Sunday. I'm gonna have to edit this video. I did take a trade. I was up like $1,000, not too much. I risked 2% on that trade, and I didn't take it out on time, so I went to break even. See here, it hit around here, had some major resistance on the gold, but it was later on the day and it's Friday. Usually gold doesn't move that much. It's not really volatile as it is any other regular day. So from there on, I just took the trade, left it, and I left it be. I was up 1K, 1% day count. So this week was kind of normal. It was bad in a sense, but I learned a lot of lessons. There's more to trade. There's US 30, there's gold. So I'm gonna be looking out for that. I have friends too that really look at US 30 like constantly. So that's gonna be focusing on as well. And let's see what the next week gets me, because this is the end of the week, and it now moves on to week 2, onto getting to 10K.